Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmummy.com, and today I want to show you some ideas on how to decorate your home in January. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Thank you so much for popping by. In case you're new here, my name is Christina and I post videos about budget and family-friendly decor and DIY ideas. So if you like those things, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell if you want to be notified when I post a new video. It is freezing cold here. It's about minus 30 degrees Celsius for the last few days, which I think is about minus 30 Fahrenheit if you live in the States. So we are so cold. I find decorating my home in January sometimes challenging because you can't decorate for Christmas anymore. However, it's a little bit early to decorate for spring, and I know that lots of you have that challenge as well. So today I wanted to give you some really simple, cost-effective, and super cozy ideas on how to decorate your home in January. Let's get started.
Considering it's super cold here these days, I have no shame in piling up the pillows and blankets on our living room sectional. I don't think you can have too many cozy pillows or throws in your living areas when it's cold outside. I made most of these pillows, and you can find lots of the tutorials right here on my YouTube channel, and I'll link to some in the description box below. I've also kept a few of our Christmas decorations out this month to add some cheer to our home. Don't pack up these things just yet. White twinkle lights, mini tree decorations, candles, and timeless faux greenery like eucalyptus. Twirling some battery-operated twinkle lights around our coffee table centerpiece and mantle helps give these days extra glow. As for color scheme, I always think a lot of white works well in January to highlight freshly fallen snow and a clean start to the new year. If you're a color lover like me, throw in a pop of pastel to serve as a nod to the coming spring. I like to use soft pinks in January because they flow so nicely into Valentine's Day and spring, but I've also used navy blues and aquas as an accent color during this time of year, and they work well too. Here's a photo from a couple years ago with those colors incorporated in my own January decor. Regardless of your color scheme, adding some fresh or faux florals or greenery to your home in January will help ward off those winter blues and remind you of the warmer weather to come.
Thanks so much for watching my video today. I hope you found those ideas helpful. If you are on Instagram, I am giving away a $185 prize pack, a hygge or a cozy prize pack on my Instagram channel at 7:30 p.m. MST tonight. Make sure to hop on over there tonight to have a chance to win some beautiful and cozy items. Thank you so much for watching my video today. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys all again in my next video. Bye.